Hello everyone, welcome back to Schoolosophy. So in my previous video, I spoke about the easy examples of linear equations. And today, I'm going to speak about the more difficult examples of linear equations. So let's begin. Till now we saw sums where only one number with the variable was there. Now let's see how to solve sums when there are two numbers with the same variable. Now here there is a 3x that is on the left hand side of the equal to sign, and there is a 2x that is on the right hand side of the equal to sign. Now it is better if we move all the numbers with the variables to the left hand side and leave the numerals on the right hand side. So now let's see if we can move this 2x to the left hand side. Now this is plus 2x. So when we move it to the left hand side, it becomes minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 4. 3x minus 2x is nothing but x is equal to minus 4. This is the second example where there is two different variables with two different numbers. Now there is 8y on the left hand side and 3y on the right hand side. There is minus 31 on the left hand side and 13 on the right hand side. Now as I told before, it is better if we move all the variables to the left hand side and all the numbers to the right hand side. So we move this 3y to the left hand side and minus 31 to the right hand side. Minus 3y becomes plus 3y when it moves across the equal to sign. So 8y plus 3y is equal to 13. This is minus 31. So when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 31. 11y is equal to 44. Y is equal to 44 upon 11. Y is equal to 4. This is a third example where again there are two numbers with variables and one numeral. Now let's move all the variables to the left hand side and the number to the right hand side. When we move plus 3p to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3p. P minus 3p is equal to minus 8 goes to the right hand side and becomes plus 8. Now p minus 3p is minus 2p is equal to plus 8. Now variables cannot be in minus. So we have to remove this minus 2 together. We can't only remove 2 and put it on the other side. So p is equal to 8 upon minus 2, which is p is equal to minus 4. Let's take a look at some of the tricky ones. Now the first one is 3 multiplied by bracket p plus 4 is equal to 21. There are two ways to solve this. First is we open the bracket, that is we multiply 3 with p and then 3 with 4 and then solve the rest of the equation. Now the second way is we take this 3 directly to this side and divide it and leave this bracket as it is. So now p plus 4 is equal to 21 upon 3. That is p plus 4 is equal to 7. P is equal to 7 minus 4. P is equal to 3. Let's take a look at the second example. Now again there are two brackets. Either we open the brackets or we divide. But because 3 divided by 2 cannot give a whole number, we open the brackets. So we multiply 2 with x and 2 with 1, 3 with x and 3 with 5. That becomes 2x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 15. Now again we put all these variable numbers in the left hand side and the normal numbers in the right hand side. So it becomes 2x minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 2 minus x is equal to 13. Now remember, a variable can never be in minus. So when there is a minus sign in a variable, you make the number minus. And this happens because you multiply this minus variable by minus sign. Now minus into minus gives you plus x. If you multiply this side of the equal to sign with minus, you have to multiply that side also. So you multiply 13 into minus, which gives you is equal to minus 13. So x is equal to minus 13. The third example is a much more trickier one. And there are denominators. These are fraction variables. Whenever you solve such equations, you remember that you multiply the denominator of A with the numerator of B and the denominator of B with the numerator of A. Now denominator is the one below this line and numerator is the one above this line. So 4 into 3 plus y is equal to 2 into y plus 1. And then you open the brackets and solve the equation. So 12 plus 4y is equal to 2y plus 2. We take all the variables to the left hand side and the numbers to the right hand side. 4y minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 12. 2y is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to minus 10 upon 2, which is nothing but y is equal to minus 5. That's it for this video. I hope you understood. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comments. And if you want me to post a video on any topic, please put it down in the comments. So bye-bye and please do subscribe.